Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to continue our work with fractions. We're going to take a look at this problem right here. It says, Raphael practices the violin for 3/4 an hour each day. He has a recital in 3 days. How much time will he practice in 3 days? So we know that he's working on his violin or practicing his violin for 3/4 an hour each day. We want to know how much time will he practice at the end of those 3 days. So we're going to start by drawing a model. So here we have a model that I drew. And at the top, I labeled day 1, day 2, and day 3 because we know that he's practicing for 3 days. And below it, here I have a circle representing 1 hour, 1 whole hour, and I shaded in 3 of those. It's broken into fourths because we know that he practiced for 3/4 of an hour. So my whole is broken into fourths. 3 of those are shaded for each of the 3 days. Down here, I typed out an equation because I'm thinking if this is day 1, I know that this circle here represents 1 times 3/4 of an hour, right? In day 1, he did 3/4 of an hour. So 1 times 3/4 is 3/4. So I'm going to just type that in and put it over here. So I know that after the end of day 1, he practiced for that 3/4 of an hour. So now day 2, I'm going to think about it as 2 times 3/4 of an hour. So if I counted my parts here, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But each of those parts represent fourths. So it would be 6/4. So I'm going to type that out as well. 6/4. Okay, we'll put that over here. I could have also thought about it as 6 because I have 6 shaded parts, 6 times the unit fraction of 1/4. And now, same thing for day 3. So I have 9 shaded in parts and each of them represent fourths. So at the end of day 3, he has practiced for 9/4 of an hour or 9/4 hours. So we don't usually give an answer like that. When it's a fraction greater than 1, like 9/4, I know it's greater than 1 because 4/4 is 1. We turn that into a mixed number. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take all of these shaded in parts and I'm going to see how many wholes do I have here and then what fraction pieces do I have left over. So I'm going to take a part, a fourth from this one. Oops, let's do this. I'm going to take a part from this circle, put it in here. Then I'm going to take a part from this hole and put it in here. And I know that I have 2 holes shaded in and 1/4 piece left. So I know that 9/4 is the same as 2 and 1/4 hours. So I could say that Raphael practiced his violin for 9/4 hours or 2 and 1/4 hours. Both of those are equivalent fractions. I have it here in a mixed number form, and 9/4 is written as a fraction greater than 1.